Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to set up a project in Asana. Setting up a project in Asana helps you organize tasks, assign responsibilities, and track progress in one place. You can customize your project with sections, due dates, and team members to fit your workflow. Once your project is created, it's easy to collaborate and keep everyone aligned. So to begin, open the Asana and sign in to your account. Click the Create button, then select Project. Choose whether to start with a blank project or use a template. Enter a name for a project. Select the team or workspace where you want to create the project. Then click Continue. Choose a project layout such as list, board, timeline, or calendar if prompted. Click Create Project to finish creating the project. Add sections or columns to organize your tasks. Click Add Task to create your first task. Name it and click the details. Enter the task details, including description, due date, and assignee. Repeat the process to add more tasks to your project. Invite members to the project by clicking Share or Invite and selecting the people you want to collaborate with. Review your project to make sure tasks, sections, and team members are set up correctly. Start updating task statuses and tracking progress as well as work moves forward. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.